If you want Chrome to automatically save your passwords for you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on password saving in Google Chrome so you can log in faster, stay organized, and avoid typing the same credentials over and over again. This is a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference if you use Chrome every day. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use, because your saved passwords will sync with that account, if sync is turned on. Next, look up at the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access settings and other browser options. From here, move down to Settings. On some versions, you may need to go to Passwords and Autofill first, and then click Google Password Manager. Either way, you want to get into Chrome's Password Management area. Once you're inside Google Password Manager, look at the left sidebar and click Settings. This section controls how Chrome handles saved passwords, password suggestions, and other autofill features. If you've never adjusted these options before, this is where the main controls are located. Now find the setting that says Offer to Save Passwords. This is the key option that tells Chrome whether it should prompt you to save new logins when you sign into websites. If the toggle is turned off, Chrome will not ask to save passwords automatically. To fix that, simply switch the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will begin offering to save passwords whenever you log into a site. The next time you enter a username and password on a website, a small prompt should appear asking whether you want Chrome to save it. If you choose yes, Chrome will store it securely in your Google Password Manager, and you can use it later across devices if syncing is enabled. This is especially helpful if you manage lots of accounts, like email, social media, shopping, banking, or work tools. Instead of trying to remember every password, Chrome can handle it for you. And if you use strong, unique passwords for every site, this feature becomes even more useful, because you don't have to worry about memorizing them all. If you ever want to check your saved passwords later, you can return to Google Password Manager anytime from the Chrome Settings menu. From there, you can view, edit, delete, or export saved login details depending on your needs. Just remember to keep your Google account protected with a strong password and two-step verification for better security. So, to quickly recap, open Google Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, head into Settings, open Google Password Manager, click Settings in the sidebar, and turn on Offer to Save Passwords. That's all it takes to make Chrome automatically offer to save your login details. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and feel free to leave a comment if you want help with any other Chrome settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.